Hello everyone, I'm very happy to meet you all in another Dot Mandala making video. Here is a 14-inch MDF base. I drew some circles and created grids as well. The details about the grids will be given in the description. I drew some designs as well. So let us get started right away. I'll start with dotting in the center in gold. In the next circle I'll dot with light blue. I'm dotting only on the lines first. I'll keep two tiny dots in between. In the next circle also I'll keep light blue dots. I'll keep one tiny dot. Now I'll keep golden dots in the next circle. When I dot on the lines there are a lot of space in between, so I'll keep a dot in between too. Now I'll keep a small golden dot. Now I'll keep straight swipe in light blue. I'll keep a dot and manually drag it to a swipe. Now I'll drag these dots into a swipe. Now I'll keep a golden swipe in between. Now I'll keep some golden dots. I'll keep some more golden dots here. Now I'll work the dots in gold. Now I'll keep some light blue dots. Now I'll keep golden dots just above these light blue dots. Now I'll work the dots in gold. I'll keep light blue dots. Now I'll work the dots in light blue. Now I'll keep a plumpy dot here and then manually drag it to a swipe later. Now I'll drag these dots into a swipe. Now I'm going to keep 2 side swipes in light blue. Now I'll dot with blue in this circle. Now I'll keep some golden dots. Now I'll keep one more circle of light blue dots. I'll keep 2 light blue tiny dots. I'll keep golden dots on the line and one in between. I'll keep one more golden dot. I'll keep 2 light blue dots now. Now I'll work the dot first layer using light blue. Now the second layer also I'll work the dots with light blue. Now I'll work the dots final layer with gold. I'll keep 3 dots in gold here. Now I'll keep a straight swipe in gold. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in light blue. I'm sure all of you love this beautiful dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.